Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? Very nice. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online studies, doing your classwork and doing your homework. Okay. So now, which period is going on? Which period is going on? No subject here. Okay, I am write the subject name and tell me which period is going on. Subject math. Sorry, subject EVS. EVS. So which period is going on? EVS period is going on. In EVS subject, we'll start outdoor games. In your previous video, we have done outdoor games. So now we will write all together. Okay, all the names on one page. Okay, all the outdoor games on one page. So you will revise again all the outdoor games. Tell me the name. Cricket. Cricket is outdoor game. Hockey. Hockey is also outdoor game. Then football. Football is outdoor game. Seesaw. It's also outdoor game. Basketball. And at last kite flying. Okay. So all the outdoor games you will write on one page. So now take out your EVS notebook and write with me all the outdoor games. Okay. So let us start. First you write down the heading, outdoor games. So write here outdoor games. Outdoor games. Outdoor games. Okay, so on number 1, first you make the picture of the game. So on number 1, we will make the picture of cricket bat and ball. Okay, so the name of the game is cricket. Now we'll revise what is the spelling of cricket. We'll write 2 times. Okay, one time here and one time here. Now what is the spelling? Tell me. Yes, C R I. Okay, C K E T. Cricket. Cricket is outdoor game. CRICKET. Okay, we'll learn in break form. Okay, say CRI, stop, CKET. Okay, so the spelling of cricket is CRICKET. Cricket. One more time, right here, cricket. 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 Cricket is outdoor game. On number 1, we'll make the picture of cricket ball, cricket bat and write the spelling of cricket. Cricket is outdoor game. After cricket, write number 2 and make next picture. On number 2, we will make the picture of what is the name of the game? This is hockey. Now what is the spelling of hockey? Tell me. Yes. H-O-C. Okay. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Okay. You learn like H-O-C then K-E-Y. Hockey. One more time. Write the spelling of hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. First letter is capital, then all letters are small. So capital H, then small o, small c, small k, small e and small y. Capital H, first 3 line, O between the 2 lines, C in between 2 lines, K first 3 line, E in 2 line and Y last 3 line. So write in right formation. Okay. Write fast all the 2 games, cricket and hockey, and revise the spelling also. What is the spelling of the game? Revise the spelling and write the name. After number 2, write number 3. On number 3, make the picture of football. Okay, make the picture of football and write the spelling of football. What is the spelling of football? Yes, first to write the spelling of football. What is the spelling? F is capital. F double O. O. F double O T. F double O T. B A double L. Football. So you learn the spelling like F double O T. Then learn B A double L. Football. Football is a outdoor game because we are playing football outside your home. So this is outdoor game. हम फुटबॉल कहाँ खेलते हैं? बाहर खेलते हैं, घर के अंदर खेलते हैं? No, हम घर के अंदर नहीं, हम फुटबॉल कहाँ खेलते हैं? Outside your home. So this is a outdoor game. One more time, write the spelling of football. Tell me what is the spelling? Capital F. Small o, small t, small b, small a and small l, double L. Football. Okay, so write the spelling of football 2 times in your EVS book. First you make the picture of the football and then write the names. All the names write 2 times. Okay. So football done. After number 3, write number 4. On number 4, make here basket and one ball. So what is the name of the game? Basketball. And then write the spelling of the basketball. What is the spelling of basket? Right here. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. Then write the spelling of ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Basket. Ball. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. B-A-L-L. Ball. Basket. Ball. Basketball is a outdoor game. One more time, write the spelling of basketball. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket. B-A-L-L. Ball. Basketball. Basketball is outdoor game. Write fast all the 4 games. Okay, so you write all the 4 games. After number 4, which number will come? Number 5. So write here number 5. Number 5 is, what is the number 5? Write here 5 and then make the picture of the game. Okay, so this is a seesaw. Now what is the spelling of seesaw? Yes, first you write the spelling of seesaw. Capital S, small e C, S A W. All letters are small. seesaw. Seesaw is an outdoor game. Seesaw we will play in playground. So this is outdoor game. Seesaw. Make the picture of the seesaw and write the name. Okay. One more time, write the spelling of seesaw. S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. Seesaw is an outdoor game. S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. How to learn the spelling? First you learn the spelling of see, then saw, and let us join. Seesaw. Okay. Make one dash here and write the spelling of seesaw. Write fast all the games, all the 5. After number 5, write number 6. I am explaining you 6 outdoor games. So at last, number 6 is, what is the number 6? Kite flying. Okay. So you make the picture of kite. Okay, so on number 6, first you make the picture of kite. Make here a kite. Okay, make here a kite and write the name of the game. The name of the game is kite flying. हम पतंग को उड़ाते हैं ना, so the name of the game is kite flying. Flying मतलब उड़ना. So kite flying is an outdoor game. Write the spelling of kite flying. K, first letter is capital, so K is capital. I small, T small, E small. You know the spelling of kite? Very good. So kite flying. Small f, small l, small y, fly, and let us join ing, I-N-G, I-N-G, kite flying. One more time, write the spelling of kite flying. K-I-T-E, kite, F-L-Y-I-N-G. Okay, kite flying. So kite flying is a outdoor games. All 6 are outdoor games. So write in your EVS notebook all together on one page. So let us easy for you revision. Okay. So one time we will revise all the names with their spelling. Cricket, C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. On number 2, hockey, H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. On number 3, F-O-O-T, B-A-L-L, football. On number 4, B-A-S-K-E-T, B-A-L-L, basketball. On number 5, seesaw, S-E-E-S-A-W, seesaw. Seesaw is an outdoor game. On number 6, kite flying, K-I-T-E, kite, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying, kite flying. So all the 6 are outdoor games. Write fast all the names and revise the spelling also. Okay, so now all are done your work. So your homework is you revise the spelling, all the spelling revise, and all the image click in your mind. See, this is a cricket, this is a hockey, this is a football, this is a basketball, this is a seesaw, and this is a kite flying. Okay, image are done and spellings are done. Okay, so now your lecture is over. Now bye and have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.